Hi, I'm Danny Sullivan, General Manager at Tech Renovations. In this residential roofing segment, I will cover the details of asphalt shingle roofing solutions. When it comes to protecting your home, asphalt shingles are one of the most popular roofing materials used today. This is because asphalt shingles are durable and they require low maintenance and are available in hundreds of distinct styles, colors to suit your home's aesthetic. If you're on a tight budget, asphalt shingles are going to be the most cost-effective roofing material for your upcoming roof replacement. Asphalt shingles, they're designed for longevity. You can expect to get about 20 to 25 years out of a quality asphalt shingle roof. Considering all of this, it's no wonder asphalt shingles are a top choice with homeowners. Some of the details you will need to consider when selecting an asphalt roofing shingle solution are: first, you'll need to consider color and style. As I stated earlier, asphalt shingles come in a broad range of color and styles. The wide variety of options available in asphalt shingles make it easy for homeowners to find a solution that blends perfectly with the aesthetics of your home, improves curb appeal, and the market value of your home. Next, you'll need to consider the type of shingles that will work best for your home. There are 3 different standard types of asphalt shingles. 3-tab shingles are the cheapest of the 3 types of asphalt shingles and are a great option for a tight budget, but they're slowly starting to be phased out of the roofing industry. There are also dimensional asphalt shingles, which are the most common type you see on roofs today. They cost about 15% more than the 3 tabs, but give you more life and better warranty options by far. And finally, luxury asphalt shingles, which are the most expensive option, but the best. Typically, they cost double what a dimensional shingle would cost, but they're most aesthetically pleasing roofing shingles in the market. Then, there are energy efficiency values to consider. When it comes to keeping utility costs down, picking the right roof can go a long way. Several asphalt shingle manufacturers help reduce your carbon footprint by lowering energy consumption and energy bills. Today, manufacturers are creating new lines of asphalt shingles that raise SRI values, which stands for Solar Reflective Index. Higher SRI values extend the life of your roof by keeping surface temperatures low. And lastly, you should consider durability and lifespan of the type of asphalt shingle you choose for your home. A quality asphalt roof will protect your home from all types of weather-related threats like wind, rain, hail, snow, ice, and other extreme conditions. Tech Renovations recommends always choosing impact-resistant rated asphalt shingles. If you can budget for a Class 4 asphalt shingle, you'll be provided with the highest level of protection. When you're ready to install a new roof or replace an existing one, Tech Renovations is here to help. We provide free consultations and estimates. We also pride ourselves in helping homeowners navigate all of the technical details and options to ensure they make the right buying decisions based on knowledge, their desired roofing requirements, and budgets. Tech Renovations has been providing exceptional service to homeowners in both Kansas and Missouri for over 20 years, and we have a passion for perfection. From roofing inspections to new installations, maintenance, and repairs, our highly skilled crews of roofing technicians' attention to detail is what sets us apart. We are a Better Business Bureau A+ rated company with a 5-star Google rating, and we're certified, licensed, and insured. We partner with only the best roofing product manufacturers in the industry: Owens Corning, GAF, Carlisle, Versico, just to mention a few. And every roofing project we complete is backed not only by our rock-solid manufacturer warranties, but also by WeatherTech's own workmanship warranty. Give us a call or visit our website to learn more about all of our residential and commercial roofing solutions, to view our work and request a free residential roofing consultation and estimate. Tech Renovations. We take great pride in providing every customer with our white glove treatment, and we look forward to providing you with the very best residential roofing products, services, and satisfaction.